Hey, this is Camaro 2007, and this is in Canyon City, Colorado, and it's about 8/28, March 5th, 2008, and if you look at it out here, guys, I can't even see across the street. You can barely see across the street. It's just nuts here in Canyon right now. And it's snow. I would say this is probably going to be like the best snowstorm that we've had almost this season. And that is no joke either. Yep. It's literally blizzard conditions right now. These people have like dragging, like they have 4 drives in their vehicles. I got my other camera, my home video camera. I'm going to turn this one off. Yeah, this is pretty amazing, guys. I mean, it literally is. It's literally almost blizzard conditions right now. I'm going to have to sacrifice my... Look at it. Holy shit. It's freezing out here. Yeah, my feet are cold. See the house over there? I'm telling you, like, you can barely see it. I'm just now starting to see it. Yeah, I mean, it literally is. It's whiteout conditions here in Canyon. I'm going to get some more of this on my home video camera, my JVC. I would say